Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'll show you how to get travel insurance with Capital One cards, especially those in the Venture series. First is, which Capital One cards offer travel insurance? There are three types. First is the Capital One Venture Rewards card, Capital One Venture X Rewards card, and the Capital One Spark Miles for Business. These cards are automatically include basic travel insurance benefits when you pay for your travel using the card. Now, what travel insurance benefits are included? Depending on the card, here are the typical benefits. Note, coverage and limits vary. Always check the card's guide to benefit or call Capital One customer service for exact terms. How to get coverage. First is book the trip or flight, hotel or card rental, and then using the eligible Capital One card, keep receipts and confirmations. You'll need them if you file a claim. And if someone goes wrong, like a trip interruption or lost luggage, call the benefits administrator listed in your card's terms. If you want more comprehensive travel insurance, the Venture X is your best bet. It offers the most robust protections, including trip interruptions and luggage insurance, which are rare on mid-tier cards. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.